Praise him with the sound of the trumpet. Praise him upon the lute and harp. Lord of the powers, be with us, for in times of distress we have no other help but you. Lord of the powers, have mercy on us. Praise him with the cymbals and dances, praise him upon the strings and pipe. Lord